friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off eye comfort shells on Samsung mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting, then from here you can move on to display. So here is the display, you just move on display. After that you are going to find on the down eye comfort shell. So if you want to activate this eye comfort shell, what you need to do is that you just click on this icon like this. Here the eye comfort shell will be turned on. Okay, and if you want to off this eye comfort shell, just click on this icon again and this eye comfort shell will be off. Okay, so the off option will be on the left side and the on option will be on the right side. Okay, and the color will be changed. Okay, you will be able to know about the color change. Okay, see, the on option will be, the color will be like this. This is the eye comfort shell, and the off option will be like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.